Is it fair to characterize this as not a pause in a tightening cycle, but the end of the tightening cycle now, a new regime for the Fed? And if not, can you put a time frame on patient? Does patient have some sort of time frame? And I'm wondering about your reaction to the criticism you got on your December 19th news conference, your later statements. Do you feel you've put a Powell put into the markets?
So patience, I think we're going to know in hindsight, because the length of this patient period is going to depend entirely on incoming data and its implications for the outlook. So that's going to be so it's hard to say, it's hard to think of what to call it at this point, or how to label it. So really your second question is about how do we think about financial conditions? And I would say this, we think about a broad range of financial conditions, not just one or two things. It's interest rates, it's risk spreads, it's currency, it's the stock market, it's credit availability, it's many, many factors. And what matters for financial conditions is when there are changes, and those changes are sustained for a period of time, then they become important for us because they have important macroeconomic implications. So that's how we think about it. So we don't react to to most things that happen in the financial markets, but when we see a sustained change in financial conditions, then that's something that has to play into our thinking. In fact, our policy works through changing financial conditions. So it's sort of the essence of what we do.